Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to private your space on ClickUp. Maybe you want your space to private so that you are the only one who can see it. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can private your space on ClickUp. Check the video description and I'll try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your ClickUp application. Once you open your ClickUp application, you'll be directed to your home page. And you can see below the notification icon, search icon, and then this dotted icon. And then now, to private your space, simply tap on these three lines on the upper left corner of your screen. And you will see in here the home, the notifications, favorites, spaces, dashboards, and locks. In here, to private your space, simply tap on these spaces and choose the space you want to private. For example, you want to private this one, simply tap on this and then this one. Once you are in here, simply you need to tap on this three dots icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you are in here, you'll see your space name and then actions. And also, under privacy, you'll see this workspace and private. To private your space, simply tap on this private. And as you can see, users will have full edit permissions. Open ClickUp on your computer to adjust permission for each users. There you go! If you wanted to know on how to private your workspace on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to private your space on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.